Alright.
Oh, when you come up, come with
No water?
I use some cream people take it and that's down into it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see, I'm in the kitchen today, but this is just going to be a little like a, how do I put it, it's just gonna be like a little a compilation, but like I'm just showing you along how I start doing stuff for Mother's Day, like dinner and stuff for it and whatnot. So today is Saturday evening to be precise, and I am starting with some baking because I just wanted to get it out of the way from today so I wouldn't have to do that tomorrow. So I am making some cinnamon rolls, and I have put most of my stuff inside there already. I'm now just putting in my liquid, right? And I'm going to go over to my section over here to get it started. So yeah, I'm making cinnamon rolls. Kind of had everything put out here before. It's not really a tutorial, I'm just really showing you guys what we're going to be cooking and so forth and such. Today is just the dessert portion. I decided to just do some cinnamon rolls with like a coconut like icing on top, because obviously you can't have cinnamon rolls without having icing. So I decided to do like a little coconut icing or coconut flavored icing situation. Take some time to come together, and then after it comes together I have to put it out on the mat and leave it to proof, and then once it's done proof, then we have to do the whole cinnamon sugar situation. But once it's done mixing and I put it out on the mat, then I'll show you guys. Okay, so mat right here, dough is out done, it's no longer sticking. Sprinkle a little, just lightly sprinkle to follow. And to just knead it just a little bit. Like what am I doing there? Touch the dough and the alcohol and the dough. Might want some more oil. Alright, I'm going to cover it with just a regular towel, and then I'm going to rest it into my oven. Okay guys, I'm back 1 hour later. This is our dough. Punch it down, carry in, and here's our dough. here are the cinnamon rolls. How much them here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We got 9 off of it. One little one in the middle. So now I am going to plastic wrap it, and I'm going to leave it for another 45 minutes, or maybe about 45 minutes. And then once those are finished being proofed, we are then going to brush it with a little melted butter, and then put some more of the cinnamon sugar on top, and then we'll pop them into the oven. All right guys, so it has been 45 minutes exactly. This is our cinnamon rolls after proofing, or these are cinnamon rolls I should say. So now, because they have risen, you know, gotten a little bigger, this one in the middle here, we are going to put it in a separate little pan because it's kind of big and I don't want it to, you know, because it's gonna get bigger as it bakes. So I'm just putting it in this little pan here because it just kind of look weird with everybody else, right? Just so you see everybody else kind of farm and set in a them way. Like I want it because it's going to bake and they're going to get closer and closer. So this in the middle here, it's just gonna look weird. But don't worry, this will be baked and had this evening. Me and mommy are going to have this evening. All right, so I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees, and in the meantime I'm just going to do the top part of everybody. We're going to brush some more melted butter on each one of these cinnamon rolls, and then put on the sugar, the rest of the cinnamon sugar on the top of it. Cinnamon rolls are pretty easy to make, honestly. When I first saw mom doing them, I was like, I will never be able to make these on my own, but actually they are so easy to make. This didn't take me any time at all, and I've been liking working with yeast a lot more than I expected to. I didn't know, but working with yeast, whenever you get it right and you know what you're doing, it's fun, because I can make the pizza dough and all of that stuff. You guys will see tomorrow, well, whenever you see this vlog, you guys will see on Sunday what I will be preparing, because we're really not doing anything heavy, honestly. Mom, she didn't really want anything heavy, like the woolly pie rice and peas and stuff. Like, she never really want that. I'm personally marrying her because it's the days are way too hot right now to be dealing with no pressure cooker, rice and peas and all kind of something on the stove. Honestly, the day them too hot for that, honestly. So we're doing more lighter food, I would say, or maybe like a little bit more like finger food, you could kind of say, if you really want to classify it as that. I think you can classify it as that. Oh, I'll put it on the little one here too. Yes, so we're doing like a little bit more like finger food based kind of stuff, but you guys, I will tell you guys what we are doing once I start. I'm also be going to working with yeast again for Sunday. That's probably going to be one of the first things I do, just to really get it out of the way, honestly. Alright, so cinnamon sugar. This time you're really not putting as much, you're just topping it off a little. See? So whatever leftover cinnamon sugar I have, I can use this another time to make more cinnamon rolls. I'm also going to be doing the icing on top, but not tonight, because we are going to leave these overnight to just really cool. But I'm gonna make the icing for it tomorrow, and also gonna add a little extra something on top as well, so you guys will see what I'll be doing when I'm decorating them and then putting them in the fridge, because I just kind of want to have those done before I really start to get into the full dinner portion. All right, cinnamon rolls are all topped, and then here are the ones that are already topped too. Now I'm going to wait for my oven to preheat, and then we're gonna pop them in the oven for how long them for bake. I forgot find out how long them for bake, but yeah, I'm gonna pop them in the oven. Maybe about 20 minutes, I would say. I think. Okay, oven preheated. Put our baby cinnamon inside. Alright, and then once they're done, I'll show you guys how they look. Leave them out for tonight, and then we'll jump into tomorrow's portion of the vlog. Okay guys, so I'm working on the shrimp now. We're doing a shrimp boil, so we're working on that right now. This is a shrimp sauteing. I've already made my curry paste over here, and it's just cooling a little bit before ready to make the sauce. And we have our potatoes and corn inside that pot there. The hamburger buns inside here, proofing for the second time. And then we got some chicken over here to put on the grill, all seasoned. And lastly, our burger patties over here, just defrosting. They're almost ready. Some seasoning right here to go into the sauce and so forth. So we're making progress. The shrimp boil, she's going to have some of that first because the burgers and the chicken have to go on the grill. I'm not the one doing the grill. My brother is the one doing it. So I'm just finishing up the shrimp boil so mom can get something to eat. Okay guys, this is after the second proofing, and now adding on my egg wash. So this is what they look like, and then they're going to go into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, out the oven, these are the hamburger breads. They turned out really nice. Honestly, I'm very proud of myself. These look really nice. They smell good, they look good. I was kind of scared that they weren't going to get the color on top because 8 minutes was coming up and I didn't see any color like that, but it proved me wrong and I got my color. This one is the best looking one in my opinion. It looks really nice, but the rest of them are all nice too. So now that those are done, we had also cut up some pineapples right here. This is about 6 of them. Yeah, some pineapples. We're also going to grill that. And now I'm going to be working on the frosting. I made the sauce also for when they go on the grill, so I can use it to brush onto the burgers and the chicken and the pineapple. I'm also going to cut some onion rings to put on there, and also cut up the cheese. And I'm going to do those a little bit bigger so they can stay on there. But in the meantime, I'm actually going to make the frosting, and then after making that, I'm going to put them onto the cinnamon rolls and put them in the fridge. Alright guys, on the grill, chicken, burgers, chicken here on the other side. We'll baste them with our sauce that we made, and they're just here finishing up. And then inside I caramelized the onions already. I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I cut up the cheese and so, and then when they put the cheese on the burger, we'll come back and show you guys that. Okay, so this was our shrimp that we had in here. I'm gonna heat it up back because we had a little bit outside just to catch up a stomach. So we're gonna heat it up to have the rest. Potatoes, corn in there. As I said, we had some already. This is the remainder of the curry coconut sauce. It's in a curry coconut sauce, by the way. And here I have my caramelized onions. Just finished them a while ago. Now what I'm about to do is do the fries in the air fryer. So I did these the night before. I cut them up, all of them, then I blanched them and then froze them overnight and so forth. Here we have the buns over here, they're nice and soft, so they're just covering up right here until we're ready. And then cheese right here. I already showed you pineapples, but those are gonna go on the grill also. So I'm gonna do the fries now. Okay guys, so here's the cheese and the burger so far. They just start melting, so they're gonna take a few more minutes. I can put them right here, so. And then chicken here. Alright. Okay guys, so we're basically all finished now. Burgers, cheese, our roasted pineapples over there, chicken looking very nice. We have the homemade hamburger buns, some lettuce and tomato. I have a little fries right here, but we're doing the rest. These are homemade fries, but we're doing the rest. So we are going to plate up mom's plate now, and then we'll plate up everybody also. So guys, no, something we didn't make from video. We are finished, done cooking everything. Kitchen is a mess right now, but we will be cleaning up and so forth and such. Mom enjoyed dinner, right, mommy?
It was beautiful.
Yes, so I am now going to rest off and go to bed. I got my one little milkshake because everybody else got their milkshake. I didn't have any. So I'm going to make mine now and then bathe and go to bed. I'm very tired. If I must say so myself, I'm very tired. So thank you guys for watching this video. I tried to get as much as I could because, you know, through the day I cook here and there and such. Sometimes we forget to really pick up the camera, but I tried to get as much as I could to show you guys what we did, the important bits and pieces that we did really. And I hope, well, what I did here. So I hope everybody had a really good, all the mothers out there had a really good Mother's Day. If you just sat and relaxed, if you went out, whatever you did, I hope you guys had a really good Mother's Day. You enjoyed it to the best of your ability or as you could. And I wish you all a happy new week coming up and further on in the month. And I'll see you guys in another video or vlog. I'm really tired, but bye guys.